Hanna Manufacturing Company, we're in Winfield, Louisiana. This is our 50th year. We're a hardwood sawmill. We're producing rough green hardwood lumber and ties. That's the long and the short of it. We obviously have to have equipment that can unload log trucks, and I've got 3 Komatsu log loaders that we use. Our newest one is a 387. We use the lifts for unloading log trucks, sorting logs, and then we use the lifts also to load the mills.
Komatsu is my favorite. It's very comfortable ride, strong machine, and I like the backup camera feature. You don't have to constantly turn around, look back when you're backing up. The levers, everything's right there at reach. Yeah, it's all around good machine.
It's just good, reliable equipment. Komatsu came in, H&E came in. They've got good service. They're easy to talk to. We get very good response from them. And we developed a really good relationship with them, and we've been with them ever since. What I've got running around here, I think I'll let that speak for it.